Hey guys, what's new and exciting? Welcome back to Nick.tv. This is the Barbie Project Part 4, where I will be reassembling my engine with all brand new parts. Not all brand new parts, but a lot of new parts. I do have to clean up my pistons still, so I'm gonna get around to that, don't worry about that. And the engine block is looking mighty clean. I spent a good couple hours cleaning up the engine there last night. And I'm really excited and looking forward to rebuilding this. It's in really nice condition. Actually, pretty much everything has been in good condition so far. I've got some of the new parts. Actually, all of them are already here. Got some more stuff over here. And there's also some new main bearings and piston rings, so those will be going in. If you're not interested in seeing any of the details, just skip right on to the end. The engine should be back together. Otherwise, stay tuned. The most tedious part is now done. The pistons are clean-ish and they've got brand new rings. I'm just about set to put the new main bearings in and then start getting everything back together. Well, it's time to put the oil baffle, the new high flow or higher flow oil pump in, and I want to get the oil pan on, so I'll have to drill the rivets out of the factory oil pan gasket because I got a brand new one. And yeah, once we get the bottom on, it'll be time to flip the engine over and get to the shiny stuff. Fuck yeah. Guess I can't really jump the gun on putting the new oil pump on because I need to have the camshaft in and the timing chain and all the associated gear for the camshaft needs to go on first. So that means it's time for the camshaft. Nice. Okay, so it's day 2 of the rebuild and everything's going really good so far. Just one little hiccup there last night. I put the sprocket on the camshaft without putting the timing chain on first, so I had to take it off. That was only like 5 minutes. Today everything else goes back on. Cylinder heads, push rods, lifters, all that stuff, rockers. Hopefully get the engine back together tonight and prep my truck for putting the engine back in tomorrow, because I don't think I'm gonna get to putting it in tonight, although that would be really nice. I doubt it, but we'll see how far things get. So you might know that these modern GM engines at the factory, they have a thing called active fuel management, or some companies call it DOD, or displacement on demand. And what essentially that means is the engine, when it doesn't require a lot of power, it goes into 4-cylinder mode. And one of the things I've done in this overhaul is I've gone ahead and done the AFM delete. So there is no longer active fuel management. And there's also no longer variable valve timing. So a couple of these things they're designed for fuel economy and emissions, I think, more than anything. But so I've gone ahead and done the variable valve timing delete. As you can tell, if you know anything about these trucks, I've got the standard LS timing cover, which does not have the phaser on the camshaft. I also have put in just standard LS rocker lifters. They do not deactivate. That's what these little pipes up here on the top are for. I think it uses vacuum in the stock valley cover, but the valley cover that I got is again just a standard LS engine block valley cover without any of that VVT nonsense or AFM nonsense stuff. So that'll be going on next. Well, this is where I'm at with the rebuild. I've got the cylinder heads back on. The new rocker arms are in. I used the existing push rods. I cleaned them up and put them back in. They were really good condition, so I kept them. I didn't order new ones anyways, but maybe that's something for a future rebuild. I have a growing list for my next rebuild. Yeah, engine's pretty much ready to fully go back together now. Just the last few things I'm going to do are slapping everything back on the front. So yeah, let's get to it.
Hey everyone, Future Nick here. I'm editing the video right now. I just realized it's the last day of the year and I haven't made a year-end video, so this is going to be my last video for 2020. I appreciate every single one of you who took the time to watch one of my videos this year. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy out there. It's been just an absolutely crazy year. This is not the last video of the Barbie project. I still have one, maybe two videos left to do. I've barely got any content for the next video. I was just too busy getting the engine back in the truck to think about filming. I didn't want the filming to slow me down or anything, so I just didn't do any. I've got maybe 10 minutes of video footage or something for the next video, whereas the last 4 videos, including this one, I had about 2 hours for each video of footage. In any case, guys, I hope you're enjoying the video series. I hope you enjoyed the video content I put out this year. If you did, drop a comment down below so I know what you liked, and if you didn't, well, let me know what you want to see more of. I got lots of ideas for videos. This Barbie project took up a lot of time here in the last few weeks. Actually, I haven't done anything literally in I think I finished putting the truck back together early December. That's just what kind of year it's been. I've been busy with work, and I'm grateful and thankful for that. I know not everybody has been this year. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see more of, or any of my interests that interest you that you might want to see. Let me know, and hopefully 2021 I can put out even more videos. I think this is the 13th video this year. So if all goes well with my editing, this video will be released on the last day of the year, and good riddance to 2020. Am I right? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you didn't, well, you know what to do. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to Nick.tv. Thanks again so much for watching my videos through 2020. This was a big year for my YouTube channel, even with the pandemic and everything that happened. I'm really grateful for everyone who stuck around to watch some of my videos and listen to me ramble on about things. In any case, see you guys all next year. Have a good one. Happy New Year. Okay, bye.